Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into a different type of NFT. This one actually has to do with blue chip NFT investing. You're probably thinking, what does that mean? Well, anything that has the word blue chip simply means it has value. It has strong value, and you can expect the value to continue to the upside, as in we are expecting the price to continue up. We are not expecting any type of depreciation whenever it comes to these NFTs. So whenever it comes to this project, this one is called the KotoDAONFT. If we go ahead and scroll down here a little bit, it says right here that we got 3x Koto Corp NFTs, 3x $200. So it looks like they're going to be giving away $200 to at least 3 people. It says winners will be announced on Discord after the public sale. We'll talk more about that towards the middle of the video, but get a look at these current NFTs that we are getting a sneak peek at. We've already got almost about 4,000 views here, so it definitely tells you that quite a few people are interested whenever it comes to this NFT. If we scroll down here a little bit, this possibly could be one of the NFTs that they are investing in, okay? It states right here, do you think that these should be considered as blue chip NFTs that we invest in? They have a question mark of a face emoji. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think here. But get a look at this, you guys. It actually looks like people are bidding this stuff up. You can see right here. Look at that, you guys. These are definitely fetching for some dollars right now. So people are definitely interested whenever it comes to these NFTs right here. But anyways, let's go ahead and scroll down here a little bit further. We'll see what else we got, who we are. First of all, we are not a PFP project. We are a blue chip NFT collector DAO. We want to invest as much as possible in blue chip NFTs and bring long-term value to our members. So this tells you right here, you guys, that they are putting their members first. So they're looking for some high valued NFTs that they know that are going to grow in price over the future, right? All long term. That is what they are looking for. If we go ahead and scroll down a little bit further, it says we are a blue chip NFT collector DAO, not a PFP project. So they have a lot of different NFTs that they are interested in. Let's go ahead and dive down into the website. Take a look at the graphics on the home page here. These are pretty dope. I do like them. Let's go ahead and scroll down here a little bit. It says, what is the Kotoa Matsu Corp? The Kotoa is a Kotoa Matsu Corp 2.0. Unlike the Kotoa Matsu Corp, a pure PFP project, the Kotoa aims to capture the asset value of Web 3.0 instead of creating a value by ourselves through a PFP project by holding blue chip NFTs, as in Bored Ape Yacht Club, etc. DAP Radar estimated that the market value of NFTs at about 14 billion in early September. Okay, early September. Melton believes that the market value of NFT market can at least reach the level of over $375 billion. Okay, while Suzu believes that the market value of NFTs will reach 10% of the entire crypto market at 225 billion USD, but this does not mean that all the NFTs will have value. In fact, 90% of the NFTs will lose all of their value in the end. And the value of the remaining 5% NFTs, blue chip NFTs, may continue to rise. So basically what they're saying right here is that most of these NFTs are going to fail. So that is why they're not creating their own NFT here. But what they're doing is they're actually investing into blue chip NFTs that actually hold real value, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so they do have a great goal here and a great mission. I do like it. It says for retail investors, it is difficult to invest in blue chip NFTs. First, the investment threshold for the blue chips is high. Secondly, for retail investors, it is difficult to hold a variety of NFT assets to achieve risk diversification. Considering that decentralized nature of Web 3.0, we believe that the obtaining value of the NFTs Overall industry development through a DAO is the most forward-looking way. We hope to establish an NFT DAO with a good community environment while everyone can discuss and enjoy NFTs together, and at the same time enjoy the dividends brought by the development of the entire NFT industry. Okay, if you guys would like to take a look at the white paper, just click on right here. But if we take a look at the roadmap, it says that the KotoDAO, right, the KotoDAO NFT, here we go right here. It says that February 2022 NFT pre-sale, NFT public sale, March start building a DAO to get audited. And right here we got asset acquisition, we buy blue chip NFT, website upgrade, NFT staking, Koto token airdrop, token IDO, NFTs and tokens on their other chains, NFT gaming guide. Take a look at Andros, he is the founder. We have Fall City, that is marketing, and we got Nightcat, who is the artist. So there's a lot of different cool things here. If you guys are interested in this project, don't forget that it is going to be right here on OpenSea. Right now, the items, we are waiting for them to be revealed whenever it comes to these NFTs, okay? So it's going to be a while. Obviously, we got to get into some blue chips. If we go ahead and dive down into the chat, you guys can see for the Discord that there are a lot of people here, okay? A lot of people here. A lot of people are talking, chatting every single day. So people are definitely interested in this project. There's a lot of different rooms here. So I'd highly recommend that you guys take the opportunity to check all this information out. And if you guys will, please leave some comments down below and tell me, what do you guys think about this project? Do you guys like it? Do you think it's a great one? My overall opinion is I think it could be a good possible long-term play, especially if they're going to be investing into blue chip NFTs. But leave some comments in below. Anyways, thank you guys for all being here. Make sure that you leave a like button, smash up that subscribe button. Nonetheless, leave some comments. I'll see you guys later. Have a great one, and ciao.